morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
Do you need a hand?
I put it on the side so I can't do it off the centre now.
Is that broke already, Scott?
When the cow broke it with his horn. Like when we were at the restaurant, he hooked it or snapped it.
Go on then, Bright.
Oh, thanks. Clear, guys.
Good to go.
Well, that fucker looks like he's nearly dead walking.
Right, come in.
Oh.
Oh, fucking hell, everything's aching.
Yeah, I'm the same, mate. The ribs are out.
Oh, yeah.
Hands are all aching. That's a new one for me.
What's aching up?
My hands. My hands feel all puffy and fat, swollen. Well, here we are on the start of day 3. We don't know where we're going. We don't know how long it is. All we know is it's the same, but different.
Stop for coffee.
Nah, checkpoint.
Oh.
Just got to check us out so they know we're safe. It's like organised chaos, isn't it?
Yeah. You're right, Mr. Jones. Yeah. Look, that's getting neutral. Somebody else can go in front now. I've done mine. Hey, don't. No, you refused to move yesterday.
Does no one want to go up the front?
I might be waking up at the back here.
Yeah, it's
Feel a
nice
bit-
in the morning at the back.
Yeah, well, I'll go up back. Oh, near the back. No, we're at the back.
Andy,
No,
go at the front today.
It's going to be a very big pack, isn't it?
It's at peace.
Yeah. I need to chill out a bit. Same. Go on, Chris.
I'm not going in front because I'm filming. There's no point me filming no one.
Lose all opportunities to splash you. I'll go up front.
No, I'm staying dry today. I think I got trench foot yesterday. All right, then I can help pick your bikes up, see?
Oh, thanks.
I didn't mean I'd go right at the back, but I started.
You can work your way up, mate.
Yeah, just so if I make the film with everyone in it, rather than just defect.
Yeah, see, I prefer this riding to the, like, above the cloud, like that. I think it's so much nicer going through the villages and the forests and...
Yeah. Same but different, isn't it?
That's going to stick, that one, isn't it?
Can't wait to take my sisters with that. After that, just give a look.
We've got to get a t-shirt with that on, haven't we?
Yeah.
Same.
Something different.
Yeah.
Well, this is what we always fucking talked about while we were collecting our bollocks. Yeah.
3 o'clock in the morning, eating pre-sucked biscuits. One day we'll be riding off-road in the Himalayas.
Yeah.
Eating yak bollocks.
The dreams can come true. Done all right for a couple of area else carpet fix, haven't we?
Yeah, life ain't bad, is it?
Right.
Living the dream, boys. Living
Yeah.
the dream.
Don't remember it this easy on the way in.
It might be fucking dusty.
I think that rain might have done us a favour, actually. Dampened it all down.
Well, as long as it's only damp, not really shit on it. Yeah.
Just like a drizzle,
A
wasn't
bit
it?
slippy up corner, boys.
Tarmac.
Plenty of grip there. Got to dig down. Mind you, the tyres ain't the best. Yeah, that rain has definitely helped this out. I think any more and it would have been a nightmare.
Yeah.
This would have all been a
Certainly
nightmare
down.
dry.
Yeah.
It's gone compact, isn't it? We're gonna have that all day.
What? Puddles?
Ting, ting, ting. Where'd that come from? Stuck in your head, isn't it? Huh? Your song. Ting, ting, ting.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, I did sing it earlier, and I thought, I need to start singing that. It's stuck in my head, and I don't know where I heard it. It's the commitment song. Ching, ching, ching.
Well,
That's it, you'll all be singing it now.
I'm thinking, where have you had up this morning?
I don't know. I have no idea. It was in my head yesterday as well. I didn't even know I was doing it then, and then you said it. What the fuck's he going on about?
There's fletches in front of me. Oh, they haven't finished fucking pouring that concrete. It's a long way down there.
Yeah, I was just down there, so I was looking.
We're back in front, Mr.
No, you can carry on, mate.
No,
You
you
wanted
want
to
to have a look.
You wanted to overtake. Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I'll get you when there's a puddle.
Yes. That's why I blocked you on the other fucker.
Another waterfall.
Yeah, can do it, yes.
Yeah.
I remember during these gates, you know.
Yeah, welcome.
Peace Hill, I don't remember that one.
Rebar.
Up there.
It's funny, the fucking rat.
Again, they haven't finished pouring the concrete. Like they run out.
I do a
Gas finishes. Happy Japanese.
Japanese ain't up there, no.
Always cheerful.
That was that gravel stage. Yes. Where you pack me in, you know, I was going to take concrete. I would have thought better from better. They should have come the other way.
Lord Larkers coming up. Over the hill.
They're coming up, they're coming up, they're coming up. It's there.
Andy must have warmed up. That sense of panic's gone in his voice.
No, still there.
No, it's not.
It is. It is!
Hey. Oh, the ABS is on the front, that's for sure.
But it's too fast for you, just let me know.
Crack on. I'll let you
Bri.
No, you always get too close. I can never. I watched you switch lanes and then saw you in my mirror.
You can.
Oh,
Don't
yeah.
worry about me. I'll adjust. Or kick you off.
Yeah.
Gotta get close to get GoPro footage.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you cunt, put it in neutral again. Dangerous, that corner, isn't it?
Yeah.
That roof.
Yeah.
Slice you open, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Still fucking wet. Your little cunty laugh there. Yeah, I fucking
He's got
do.
got the devil in that laugh. Who's that?
God.
Just saw the puddle coming up. Yeah, I remember that motorbike shop on the left there. Just a strip down mine. It looks like he went out of business in 1979.
Start hangover.
Locked out then.
Sandy bits here, lads. Be careful.
The Aussie bouncing about there.
Yeah.
His bike has got the same ballast as the rest of them, doesn't it?
Basically driving itself.
What a great thing.
There is a damp here, guys. Slippy.
Like riding my bike two places, but I mean you couldn't come just ride here and go home. Way, keep it up, right? I'm just sliding, ain't I?
Yeah. Fits bit. Bit of ski. Thanks, Chris.
I've got
That's good.
3 packs coming fast.
Yeah, that's because we're
Is
all
it catching
close
us
then.
Oh, it's because you was too slow, Brian.
It wasn't. Could have been overtaking others.
Taking a piss. Definitely a lot easier now. It's been dampened down, isn't it?
Off the slippy bits.
Thought that was a Harley there. Oops.
Hey, 2 packs back. Coming up to your right, Andy.
Super.
Righto.
I can never remember the deep pack, so it's just fucking 2 pack now.
Yeah, I call it cheaper.
Or Billy Bullshit.
Yeah, it's definitely full of bullshit.
All tarmac tomorrow, next morning. No, same.
He ain't been bad though, is he? To be fair.
Andy. He's ace, lad. I like funny. I love it.
Yeah. He's just joined in with our banter, isn't he? It took Ashkay a couple of days to get used to it, but he's just fitting in straight away.
Yeah. He's a good lad.
So I remember Ashkay saying to me, why'd you call him a cunt? Because he is.
Yes.
He's my kind of cunt.
Bit muddy down here, chaps. Couple of puddles.
Are you Mr. Sims?
I'm all good, mate. Sitting that back, I'm right.
I was just see that puddle and I think,
Oh, okay, no, I'll wait, mate.
pick my route.
JCB up here, lads. Stopping. Go on, Hutch, you. Thank you.
There's your motorbike shop.
What are you doing there?
What are you doing there? I've no idea, mate. I was trying to navigate through them two rocks in it, one of them.
To the middle of them.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
How I've ended up front.
Hutchie, what are you doing there? I like it.
No pressure, Andrew, you're on film.
Yeah, front and back.
Dusty.
The old path
Impressive,
gone
isn't it?
there.
Yeah.
Impressive, isn't it?
Back.
More tractors on left.
Taters?
Trackers.
Sounded a bit low.
That's not there. There's a truck coming. Big truck. Your way.
It's not an either.
No.
It's not.
Tractors on left.
We hear a bit of panic.
Was I in a bit of a panic?
No, what I could hear someone panicking. What? That's one there, isn't it? Stars.
Yeah. Well, I brought a British flag with me. Got hold up somewhere, don't know where. See us at the highest point.
You brought a British flag to put at the highest point.
No, for us to hold as a group picture.
Huh?
Seen all these photos do when they go away.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to
On
post
your
it to that
Facebook, everyone will just call you racist.
Yeah, I'm going to put it on that Raise the Colours page.
Pulling in, pulling in.
going again.
Oh.
He's taking the piss up.
Ah, this is where we stopped yesterday. This is the big one.
Yeah.
Big cliff face.
Slowing down here.
Done this yesterday.
Yeah, so I was just thinking.
He'll want piss, won't he? Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going down there, aren't we?
Yeah. Yes.
The waterfall.
Hey!
Where you?
Now.
It was there.
I pulled the clutch in and started rolling back because it started in gear.
Fucking hell.
Right, knocked him off the cliff.
Don't do
Yeah,
that.
knocked me off there. Stick me on a rebar.
I was thinking that tire looks alright, that side.
Does it foot? Where? That footpath up there.
That's a fucking road. We got photos of this, don't need another one.
Yeah. Always worth taking another. Different day, different light.
Yeah, but you've done it.
Yeah.
Yeah, here it is.
He's letting us past, Chris.
Yeah, a bit sandy there. Another truck coming.
Well, stopping.
Well,
Behind these two rocks as you come through. We got that on video, Chris.
yeah.
Yep.
Well, two cats smashed his camera on truck.
Did he?
Yeah. I'll have to tell him when it stopped.
And it's still there, isn't it? Here it's.
Yeah. It'll be alright.
Thank you.
I'll stop and wait for Chris. Oh, here he is.
Fucking hell. Oh, you prick. I wanted a photo of you lot on the windy road in front.
Ah, I see.
On me.
You're right,
Yeah.
he's not waiting for you, is he?
Hey, you fucking tosser.
They've got NEPAL road rage. I'll shove you a pair of flags at your arms. Well, I'm off now.
Definitely a lot easier than yesterday.
Speak for yourself.
Yeah, so no tricky bits, is there, today?
No, 'cause
Seems a
we
bit
have-
flat off.
Yeah, but we had quite a few crashes on the way up here, didn't we?
Yeah. It shows everyone's improving through the week.
I don't think
Andy
so.
leading us. Back off, you're at the front leading us.
Only cost me a fucking way to go here.
It just
We
works
all
better
agreed
when you
when
were
you-
up the front.
We all agreed when you went to bed that we didn't let you go in sun.
Andy is our leader.
Fucking hell.
We don't have to worry about you coming off and dying when you're behind us.
Hey, you can die in front of us.
Yeah, at least we know he's dead.
Listen, I should get a film, wouldn't you? Every baby.
We had a vote. Nobody wanted to walk back for you.
Yeah, time and motion.
Yeah, not that far back.
So you're
No.
all self-employed, see? So.
Yeah, well done for sweeping that, darling.
Little resty poos on the left. Ozzy must have legs of steel. Never sits down.
Because his pants are full of shit.
Yeah. I don't want to smear it around.
Should have saved one of them spoons last night.
Spoon it out.
Spoon it out.
Chocolate push. Andy.
Oh, you're just rolling. You're not going too slow to lose your balance.
Yeah, I just can't handle mud and fucking sand.
No, it takes a bit to get used to the bike squirming a bit underneath you.
Oh, I could have had you then, Brian, in that little puddle.
There's one here.
It's all right, then nice movement.
Go on, man. Get in front and say Chris. Oh, man. Yes, a bit too close to my line. A bit too close, that's why I stood down.
Brian, you left? No, not. What?
Now it's a puddle. Right, John in front.
Right, coming Ozzy. Oh, someone does it.
Another bike coming. Yeah, I'm getting ready for brain yourself. Good parts.
We've actually done quite well, hasn't he? Yeah, but he can stop.
Yes.
Bike's coming.
Power.
Another bike coming. Oh, fucking hell.
Hey,
somebody's
fast.
Power.
Can't see.
Andy, keep power on. Put it on, Andy.
Oh,
I'm on the wrong side of the road, but you're all right.
Bill!
you alright, Oz?
Yeah, I'm here.
You're a bit
big
good
for a
stop
dog.
here, so just watch it.
Look,
I'm
if
stuck
you
in the
can.
shit.
Hey, don't be stopping.
Yeah,
Shut down.
Fucking Brian,
Go on,
Brian.
Brian, your foot.
Stop,
Hey, you know, Brian, you're an animal.
You alright, Oz? Need a second. Fucking hell. There's a little bit of poo come out, Brian.
Fucking hell, you twat.
Fucking hell. Need a second.
Stop past me, mate.
I couldn't brake. I couldn't slow myself down. Fucking hell.
But that's what I was saying to Adam. Now don't stop, then one's coming up behind you.
Yeah. Oh, go back in front, Scott. You're right down there, Rossi.
Yeah, come. Get it away. Do you know the lights coming on through the fog? Right?
Good lad. Well, I can see you disappearing in the fog.
Had a bit of a bike wash, Andy.
Yeah, thanks for that, mate.
I might apply for the death count now.
But you was going to go for the other side, Scott.
Oh, there was a big puddle at the end, but I thought Ryan's already got a little bit per out, and so would that do nasty to soak him as well?
Come in.
Yeah, that did get a bit sketchy in that sense.
Yeah.
That was deep, that was, wasn't it?
Did you two feel a bit skeptical, or were you two alright?
Well, no,
Oh, it's sketchy because we're going slow. That's how
don't
they
want
get
to brake,
sketchy.
yeah.
I wasn't going slow.
Don't want to brake in it. Try not to wash the front wheel out.
Speed defending, that's it. Yeah, it was.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck. Water's rusty.
Oh, oh, shit, oh, shit, oh, shit.
What?
Oh, mate. I fucking flew into that.
Did the water come up? It's like, okay.
Oh, mate, I'm stoked. Oh.
I am, but. Maybe.
Because I was thinking
All
like,
my glasses are steamed
he's
up
coming
now.
too fast.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Fucking hell. Got one that video.
Yeah, you know, so his sons. Fucking feelings.
Oh, fucking hell.
Well, I saw you go and thought, oh, here we go. And I chased you. And then you went over the hill and I saw the water come out. It's like, oh, there's a river there. I was that river crossing. I slowed down.
No, I sort of went, oh shit, it just smashed. He was going to take some photos, but it was too quick. He fucking wetted himself. I'm fucking soaked.
My boat's full of fucking water. You have to tip it out.
Big sand.
Deep turn.
Go and fucking see it.
Can't go and pull over.
I'm on the beach.
Oh, there you are. You just see a light, that's all.
Like you've been tarred and feathered. You're soaking wet and you're going to go out deep.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking jeep coming in and all.
Nothing.
Stop. Stopping us. Stopping.
Okay.
Right, going on now.
Fish there. Fucking straight.
Your arse over that back seat, Jones.
Right, this is how I remember yesterday to me.
Yeah.
Not like the easy shit we just done.
Right, us. All good. Timmy.
Dodgy prick. I was all clean then and all. Oh, I got you as well. Good.
The bottom or the top? Myself on that one.
No, we're in the
Yeah, out of shape.
slow, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not what I put my bike.
Did he?
Twist wheel.
It's in the middle of the road.
Yeah. No, quite.
Oh, it cuts you off at the corners, doesn't it?
Yeah, he does. Give you any boom, does he?
Like right.
They're all lined up. Steve slowed down too much.
Sorry.
Right?
It's there down in the front.
So it's just slippery mud, was it?
Yeah, but down that sandy bank, it's just like a patch of mud, one or two.
Yeah.
I took that and probably mixed the stuff, so some of it out, but when it is nipped, it just wants to slip.
That's actually come up.
Today, well, today and yesterday, yeah.
Oh, you come up yesterday, did you? I didn't know.
No, not yesterday, no. Thursday I had a little trouble on it.
Oh, that was it, yeah.
Yeah. Just had a thought, but he knows what way to go when he comes to the bottom of that grab.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Tarmac.
Keep the river on the left. Can you hear us, Ozzy? Brian, Andy?
Good way back. Go back. I'm there again. You going back, Hutch?
I'll go back.
Road.
Yeah, I'm back.
Find us.
Yeah, they were just literally coming off the track when I got there.
Yeah. I mean, it's sort of common sense, but you never know, do you?
No.
Thank you, Jeff.
Welcome.
Welcome!
You managed to have a chance to bet your campfire and bet your break.
Yeah.
Looking for it in 2 minutes, mate.
This is more like it.
We off the ground then, Scott.
Look here.
Let's watch his video, lad.
Watch this off the ground. Defying gravity.
Tweak the suspension, better tyres.
As in, the scooter coming with the
I
younger
don't think suspension's that hard, to be honest. It's got to show a good forks on it.
Can we get past before the
Oh, look at that!
Shit.
Oh,
Clear.
oh you fucker.
Oh no, it's so we've been waiting for all day, man. Oh, big truck.
Big truck.
Look, oh, holes in the road. What? Don't be in the centre.
Clear for the overtake. Clear. Go round the white
Clear,
pepper.
still clear.
Still clear around the birds. Okay,
Clear.
go. Tut. Zebra crossing.
Big zebras on it.
We get zebras around here.
Oh, the truck coming overtaking the lorry at the back. Fucking hell, brothers. You are safe.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm through, mate.
I think that had blue lights cracking. You there, Bri?
Yeah.
Behind me now, are you?
Yeah. Bit fine.
I love the way the dips police. Stupid on. Should be set up the ladder already with that stick.
And end of the high street.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. There's a police barricade and we're going right. Got that right.
Yeah, I've got it.
We've got it.
Huge one.
What did you want to be doing, Uchi?
I just turned his bike off.
Oh, as you went past. You fuck off.
Help that woman in town didn't hear me swearing at you. Yeah, what's that there, military school or something?
Police women walking up the hill. Slow down. That's a busy place, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like being in fucking Hounslow.
Left.
It ain't no different, is it?
Left.
No.
Left.
Yeah, left to the road. I think we're all together
Twins
now.
on Uch.
It's I just done it to Andy on the hill.
Big lorries coming up the hill.
Big trucks. Big trucks.
Another great day.
It is.
All the devilish shenanigans coming out. We still got Omni with us.
Oh, down there.
Them three are together, yeah. They have these little things, don't they?
Yeah. So I think you get bored of it. Let's say there was a group of you all with the same bike.
Yeah.
Well,
Then-
yeah.
then
'cause
Then these are fucking great.
yeah, because we're not going particularly quick, are we?
No. Tractor.
Just feels quick.
Level playing field with everyone, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, but the roads aren't quick, are they?
No.
You know.
Taking up there.
No, no.
What's the roads? Yeah. Yeah,
I think maybe we should pull up and wait for him in a bit because we got to be a long way in front of us.
Yeah.
I've been only a couple of minutes in it, to be fair.
we should probably wait for that. I think we're quite a way ahead. Yeah. Huh? No, we can't hear them. I think they're way back.
Disconnect from them. Don't slow it down. I thought you were always connected with them.
Oh.
I didn't know that. Okay. Yeah, no, we lost them long ago.
Okay. Okay, just maybe a little further, somewhere in the safe place.
Come in here. Pull in here.
Oh, good lads.
Going for a brew? Yeah, in a minute. Go on. Go, go, go!
Yeah.
Well, that's slowed you down, isn't it?
Oh, I need a little bit, just on the bed.
Just a nice
Yeah, where you want it.
isn't it? Yeah. It's like in those mountains, put cobbles on the fence down, so when it's wet, you fall off the right.
So you're going to come round a corner and it's going to be a fucking great city.
It's a big lake.
There's a lake.
Yeah.
Just,
I think
There's
that's
the
just
city. There's the city, look. The other end of the lake.
all right, yeah.
Well, this needs to go and relive.
Yeah.
King. Yo, took everyone, he just came behind me. Okay, the tarmac king is there.
What's that?
You are no more tarmac
Steve's the
king.
tarmac king.
He took you. He's the tarmac king. Yeah, he is the tarmac king. He overtook you, then came just behind me.
I'll let it pass.
Ah, okay. Same, but different.
Same, but different.
It's like coming out of London, really, and it's not.
Yeah. Just what I was saying.
You know, these drivers are probably more polite. Yes.
Scott's overtaking the guide.
Kid love it.
Hey, you cunt.
Okay. Looks like one of them organised junctions up here.
Yeah, there we go. That's my gap. That's my gap.
General Mayhem.
I love it. I think it works better. I love it. I love it. Nice tails, isn't it?
Yeah.
Please. Yeah, now.
Oh, you want
Oh, we can hear you there.
right down the paper.
Don't think it matters where you ride. I don't think the indicators, they've learned how to use them properly.
Look at this fucking idiot. Basically, you just got to pull your way through, haven't you?
Yeah, brilliant.
You just fucking stay there, Deirdre. I hope somebody's videoing all this.
Yeah.
They all believe in the afterlife, don't they?
You going right here or what?
That's it. Let me go.
That's straight on. Well, he's not indicating anyway.
Andy.
Is that for crossing? Do we stop? Will be fun.
No.
Will be fun. The city's starting to look a bit better, isn't it?
Yeah. We all together still?
Not sure.
Yeah,
Just staying with him because he knows where the hotel is. We're indicating we're doing a left somewhere down here.
Straight on, I take it.
Yeah, just keep going straight, Steve, and we are doing a left at some point up here, as he's indicating now.
No, we're still all together with you.
Left at the three.
Andy.
Make sure no cars hit you up the arse when you come to a standstill.
Yeah. Clear? Yep, come in.
Yeah, this looks a bit nicer down here.
Hotel, rock.
Left again, down the end.
So we're all together.
Yeah. We did a bit of filtering, didn't we, lads? A truck bus filtering.
Going right down there. Oh, look at that one. Resort and Spa.
That was entertaining.
Bit of an experience, eh?
That's great fun. Love that.
Scott, when it was a fanny magnet, why?
Washing the motorbike jacket. No way to do it.
This is how you do it.
That's a Belfast jacket.
Belfast jacket. It's good for everything. You can go to dinner, you can ride. I wanted to go to swim earlier. Have you got the back stuff? Can you grab my back from me?
Of course it will.
Thanks. Actually get in the road. Around, yeah, thanks. That's good.